Hey, what's up? This is Jamal Abbott here to show you how to log into Configuration Manager on your 8x8 cloud phone system. So really simple. We're going to go to sso.8x8.com. And once you get to the screen, you'll be prompted to enter in your credentials. I have them saved here. We'll go ahead and log in at this point. And then you'll be brought to this screen. You may have a couple of icons depending upon what services you actually have for your cloud phone system. We're going to go here to this option that says Configuration Manager. And once you click that, you're going to be brought to another window, which is going to open up the Configuration Manager screen. And then you have access to all of the elements to manage your virtual phone system. So if you have any questions about how this is done, feel free to let me know. And looking forward to explaining the rest of how to use this Configuration Manager system, as well as some other tips and tricks for your virtual office environment. Thanks for tuning in.